Thinking of trading California sunshine for Texas charm? Moving from Los Angeles to San Antonio is a big step. And today we'll break down 5 essential things you need to know for a smooth, long-distance move. The average cost for a 2 to 3 bedroom move from Los Angeles to San Antonio ranges between $2,400 and $3,000. Factors like total weight, packing help, and delivery timing can affect your final price. Planning early helps lock in lower rates. The route covers more than 1,200 miles. Most shipments arrive within 3 to 6 days, depending on weather and scheduling. If you need a guaranteed delivery date, confirm that when booking your mover. Once you arrive, you'll notice San Antonio's slower pace and lower cost of living compared to Los Angeles. Housing and utilities are more affordable, but prepare for hot summers and mild winters. The city's growing economy and welcoming culture make it a great place to settle. To recap, know your cost range, plan for travel time, choose licensed movers, add only useful services, and get ready for a fresh start in San Antonio. Moving long distance doesn't have to be stressful, just organized. Thanks for watching and good luck with your move.